Hanging out here at Cousin Dynamics with Leanne, right out in front of J&P Cycles here at Destination Daytona, talking about all things custom dynamics.
Yes, sir.
And right now, if you come and buy your lights, you get free installation, correct?
All day, every day.
All day, every day.
Absolutely.
And
even on Sundays.
On Sundays too, count that in. You get anything extra on Sundays?
No, not really. You get to talk to me.
I'll give you a hug. Okay, one thing I do want to talk about is a new product that you have out. Is that new headlight?
Absolutely. We have our brand new Road Glide Double-X headlamp. It's available in black and chrome, and we have a demo right out front.
Yeah, so I think we should go look at that.
We absolutely should.
Okay, come on. Walk this way. He's checking it out. So looking at this Double-X, we're going to take a closer look at it and just see how sexy it really is.
Absolutely. So here we have two projection style low beams with your Double-X. When you go over to high beams, you're getting 10 reflective high beams that your low beam stays on with. These are going to carry our lifetime warranty. They are DOT and ECE compliant. And the selling point here is it has a adjustable and easy to get to adjuster for aiming. You don't have to take the whole headlamp off. You just got to get behind this fairing to twist the knob.
Okay, so it's sexy, adjustable, and now let's talk about price point.
It's a steal. It's $650, and again, it's going to carry that lifetime warranty. If you have any issues with it, all you have to do is call us.
So plug and play like everything else?
Absolutely.
Okay, guys, I think I'm in love. I need to be double-X'd.
Hey.
Oh, sorry. I do. I need to be double-X'd.
Well, I guess I'll let it slide.
Mm-hmm. It looks like Dairy Queen.
No, that is Argyle.
Argyle.
No, it looks like, sorry. Just, I was thinking about food.
Yeah. We're a little hungry,
Those
actually.
are amazing. I wish I had a pair.
What's that in your pocket?
A headlight?
Or are you happy to have
I'm going for the Double-X is what I'm after. Where are they at? Sniffing the Double-X out.
Let's see what you got. Bam.
So I was really needing some love today, and this handsome gentleman just rode up on his steed and said this.
Love you guys shit, man.
Oh, man, thanks.
I've been following you. I've been following you since before last year. I just love it.
Well,
You guys
I
are
appreciate
fucking
you
awesome,
so
man.
very much.
Thanks for doing what you do.
Well, thank you for watching our shit.